This is a review, the Rise by Dash air fryer that I would highly recommend. This air fryer, it pretty much does everything you could think of. You could pretty much cook synonym rolls, you could cook French fries, you could cook buffalo wings. It pretty much does anything you want. Pretty much chicken as well too. The best part about it is that it's easy cleanup and it's non-stick cooking surface. It's a precise cooking up to 400 degrees and it has a 30-minute timer. You could adjust the duration level of how long you want your food to be cooking. And it also comes with pretty much a timer as well too. Like you can see right here, there's a timer where you could adjust of how long you could have it. So for example, if I turn the dial on, you can see it turns on, and then after that it's on a normal temperature, which means it's not on too hot. And then you can see that the time is ticking and it's on for pretty much around 8 minutes. And then when I close it right here, you could close it like this, and it makes it when the air fryer is done, then it's gonna make that tink sound, and that's when you know when your food is ready and when it's done. And it comes with a different levels of temperature as well too. You can see that it comes with a 400 degrees, a 320, a 250, and a 170 Fahrenheit, and pretty much that's how hot it could go, up to 400 Fahrenheit as well too. This is something that I would highly recommend because pretty much it could do everything that a air fryer is intended for. One thing I like about it is that it is a small compact size, and I love the black finish and then the silver right here on the side for the handlebar. And then what I love about this air fryer is that when you open it up, you can see how big the inside is. It's pretty much, you could put all of your fries, pretty much chicken, you could put pretty much your synonym rolls, pretty much French fries like I mentioned, buffalo wings, pretty much any single food you could think of. And what I love about the Rise by Dash air fryer is that the instructions also come with the recipes where you could pretty much learn more recipes you could cook using this air fryer. So that's a huge plus right there. I love how the instructions comes with that. You could pretty much learn different recipes you could cook using this air fryer, and that's a huge plus right there. I would highly recommend this Rise by Dash air fryer if you're looking for a new improvised air fryer, or you're looking for a replacement one, or you want to upgrade one. Then this Rise by Dash air fryer is probably one of the best ones because of how it does pretty much everything. And it also, like I mentioned, up to 75% less fat, so it's pretty for healthy if you're going on a diet plan. And overall, I've been using this for quite a while, and I would highly recommend this since it pretty much does everything that an air fryer is intended for. And this is something I would highly recommend in your home if you're looking for something to pretty much learn, or you're wanting to cook some brand new food. Then the Rise by Dash air fryer is something I would definitely recommend.